The answer is yes. Yes, you can make a full mobile responsive website or portfolio website using ChatGPT. I just made this website by ChatGPT. Almost 90% of the code was done by ChatGPT. I just made some changes, color changes, padding changes, margin changes. Everything else you are seeing here is done by ChatGPT. The nav bar, the banner, the service, about me section, the cards that you are seeing here, everything. The cards were totally made by ChatGPT. Then the contact me section, the footer as well. Now I wanted to make it mobile responsive, and I told the ChatGPT to give me mobile responsive code, and it did. In the iPhone SE, if you want to see it, you can see that it is mobile responsive as well. And everything was done by ChatGPT. So if you want to know how I did it, let's watch the video. So I have opened up the ChatGPT here, and in the VS Code, I have taken three files: index.html, script.js, and style.css. So I'm going to take the boilerplate now and name it as HP portfolio and link the CSS and link the JavaScript as well. Script. Now let me check if everything is working or not. Console.log. Everything is working. Open it in the live server. Everything is working. Okay. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT. I need an app bar first. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me an app bar. Give me mobile responsive HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code, JavaScript code for a navbar with nav items. I need home, then services, then about me, then portfolio, then contact me. Let's see how it does. Okay, so it has given me some code. Let's see if it works or not. I'm going to give a comment first. Napper starts, napper ends, paste it here. Now CSS, napper starts, napper ends, and paste it here. And lastly, I'm going to put the JavaScript. nav bar starts and shift alter down arrow, nav bar ends. Let's see if it is working or not. Oh, see, it has given me the nav bar that I want. Now, nav bar. Now let me see if it is mobile responsive or not. Mm, See, it is mobile responsive as well. It is mobile responsive. So this is nice. Now I just want it to be in the middle of the screen. I'm going to fix the width. So I'm going to write body max width is going to be 1440 pixel and margin is going to be top and bottom 0, left and right auto. Nice. Now, so this is the number that we got from our ChatGPT. Now let's move on to the banner section. Now on to the banner section, and for banner, we want a banner here. On the left side, we're going to have some photo, and in the right side, we're going to have some heading and then some text about myself. So simple banner. Let's see if ChatGPT can give that or not. So new chat, give me a mobile responsive banner section. In the left side, there will be a photo, and on the right side, there will be heading and a paragraph. Give me HTML and CSS file, CSS code for that. It is giving me mobile responsive code as well. So let me see, copy the HTML code first. I'm going to write navbar ends, banner starts, shift alt down arrow, ends, paste it here and copy this code. Navbar ends, but banner starts. Paste it here. Let me see what it gave me. Oh, okay. So it has given me something. Now I'm going to change the image and see. So I have already chosen an image for this image. Okay, not bad. Now the image, I want the image to be small. Let's just say 90%. 90% is going to be fine. So width is going to be 90%. Let me see where the image is. Banner start, banner left and right, flex 1, flex 2. Banner IMG width is going to be 90%. But let me check if it is mobile responsive or not. Not, it is mobile responsive, but we need to uh, make the photo look smaller on the mobile. The width is going to be banner right. The width is, if I give the width to, let's just say 50%, what happens? If I give it 90%, width is going to be 90% on the mobile device. So where is it? On the mobile device, the width is going to be 90%. Banner right is going to be 90%. Now it looks somewhat decent. Let me give some background color so it looks nice. The background color that I want to give, let me give a linear gradient here. Harry Potter, linear gradient. I'm going to give the body a linear gradient. Background image, linear gradient to top right. The color is going to be star 6 C F F A 6 and 28343A. Let's see how it looks. So rather than giving it to the whole body, let me give it to the individual section. Let me give it navbar. So navbar looks decent. Let me give it to the banner section. And let me change the colors a bit. It's going to be high. I am a front-end web developer, and let's take help from ChatGPT. Give me 100 words about my work. I am a front-end web developer. So let me take this, copy this, and I'm going to paste it here and change a bit. I am a front-end web developer. I am responsible for designing and implementing the user interface of website or application. Simple working with HTML, CSS, JavaScript to create visually appealing and functional layouts. Client, my clients. I am also okay. I think that should be enough. And let me put them in the middle and change the color to white. Justify content center. No, not the left. Now I'm going to change the color to white. Color is going to be FFF. And let me change the font family as well. The font family is going to be font family Helvetica Neo. It's going to be Helvetica. Sans serif. Let me give some padding. So let me see how it looks. And I'm going to give it some padding and margin here. Let me first see how it looks here, so I don't have to do it twice. I'm going to give it a padding of top and bottom is going to be, let's say, 20 pixel, and left and right 20 pixel. How it looks, 20 pixel is enough, I think, or maybe increase it. And what about left and right? No. So it is going to be 65 pixel and 15 pixel. Padding banner. 65 pixel and 17 pixel. And web developer text align is going to be center. Text align center. Now it looks somewhat decent. What can I change? Oh, let me check if it is mobile responsive or not. Yes, it is mobile responsive as well. So we are done with our banner section as well. So we are done with our navbar and banner section. Now we want the services section. And to do that, um, let me, what kind of services section I want? I just want an icon and a title and maybe in 3 columns, 2 rows. Let me ask ChatGPT to give me something like that. Um, Give me 3 column mobile responsive OLUMN mobile responsive mobile responsive section. Each column will have a card. The cards will have a icon and a title. Give me HTML and CSS for that. Okay, let me copy this and see if it works or not. Services start, services end, and then copy this CSS code. Services start, services. Let's see how it looks. So this is exactly the way I want, but here I cannot see the icons. So let me font awesome CDN. Copy this link tag, come here, go on top and post it on top of our style CSS. And now let's see, font awesome, right? Font awesome 6. Let me copy this and see if it works. Icon. It is working, we can see. So what do I want? Build, deploy. Build, deploy, and what? Fast service maybe. If I copy this section, card, right? Copy this section and make it 2. I did not get the rocket. Time maybe, time. Then ease of buying. Attention to detail. And I need one more. Source code. So we have all the services that I offer. Now I'm going to change it a bit. Card title, it is going to be, let's just say, user, right? Personalization, then folder, provide source code, bold, fast service, then quick delivery, shopping, ease of payment, attention to detail. Now let me give a h1 tag here. Service heading. Service heading, text align, center. Okay, and Everything is going to be centered. Now I'm going to card icon, take the icons, color is going to be this color. Quick delivery is not going to be seen. The clock isn't here. So what can I use? Clock. Okay, so let me, I font size is going to be not this thing, 32 pixel, maybe color is going to be and the fonts are going to be not this one. Section font is going to be, let's just say 20 pixel. Great. Now it looks nice. Let me give some margin and padding to them as well. Padding 20 pixel, 20 pixel. Should I give a background color to them as well? Maybe background color red. This color looks nice. Let me take this and give the, let me put it in a div, service full section, and now take this class, ground color. Color is going to be, what color did I choose? Damn it. So the color that I was looking for, background color red. Now let me find the color. This color. Control C, Control V. Just put a hash in front of it. Margin top is going to be 0. Just give some padding here. 20 pixel. So it looks nice. So we are done with our services section. So we are done with our navbar, banner and services section. Let's begin with the about me section. So about me section is going to be basically this section, but it is going to be just bigger. So we can just copy paste this code and everything should work just fine. So go to services, banner, banner start, banner ends, then about me starts, about me ends. But we are going to change the photo. The photo is going to be this photo looks nice. Now it is going to be about me. About me something something. Then maybe you can give some list items as well here, like proficient in HTML, CSS. Let's see how it looks first. JavaScript, React, TypeScript. Now you can add a button, just download button, then anchor tag www.google.com and write download resume. Now let's see if I can style this. Give me a button to download resume with arrow icon. Give arrow icon and hover functionality. Give me HTML and CSS code for that. Copy this code, paste it here, then copy this code, service button starts, button ends, and paste it here. Wow, see, it has given me a button. Now I just have to modify it a bit. Background color, let me give the color that I'm using, this color. Go to the bottom, or maybe give it a yellowish color, red. Then give border, remove border radius 10 pixel. Then give it some margin. Top is going to be, let's just say 20 pixel. Download resume. When you hover over it, the color is going to change to color black. Wow, see, it looks nice. And you can so we want the button, but we want it in the anchor text so it can link. Now put the download resume inside here, www.google.com, and also put download. Now go to style, choose download button A, text decoration none. Now if I click on it, it is downloading something. If you link your resume, it is going to download. See, it is downloaded. So I think we are done with our about me section. Now we are done with our about me, so let's begin with the portfolio section. So in the portfolio, we would want maybe 3 cards and some links. Let's see if we ask ChatGPT, give me 3 column mobile responsive, COLUMN, mobile responsive cards. The card will have an image, title, paragraph, and a button. Give me HTML and CSS for that. Give me 3 column card, 3 column, 3 column mobile responsive cards. The cards will have an image, a title, a paragraph, and a button. Give me HTML and CSS for that. It just stopped, right? It just lost its mind. So, um, okay, let me copy this code and see if it works or not. Um, this is going to be my portfolio section. Let me close this. Not banner, about me starts, about me ends. Then portfolio starts, portfolio ends, code here, and then CSS portfolio starts, portfolio ends, and then put the CSS. There are also some CSS left. So let's see how it looks. Wow. These things have changed the services card as well. So there is some clash between the classes. I'm going to change it later, but let me fix this because it looks really good. And it's going to be, wow. So this is going to be the same photo. So maybe you are going to write portfolio Control D, Control D, backspace, portfolio. Wow. Now let me change the buttons as well. From buttons, uh, contr Control D, no, Control D. First select this, Control D. No, there are a lot of buttons, so it is not going to work. See more. See more, and I'm going to give some padding to them as well. Let me see how much padding they need. Not this, the whole section. Padding, if I give 20 pixel, 20 pixel should be enough. 20 pixels 0, or maybe 10 pixel, 20 pixel and 10 pixel. So copy this padding, these things looks nice, but these cards are broken right now, so I'm going to change their classes. Services, right? They have the class. I'm going to change first. Let me put them side by side. Split right, Control B. Banner starts, I want the services. Services, I section card, right? So card, I'm going to change it to card service. Close all of it, cut all of it, card service. Service start, service end. Let's see how it looks. Now it looks nice. Now everything looks nice. See, now if you have your website, you can just uh, show some photos and write a description about them. And let me give some padding margin between the top. So P margin top, margin top and bottom, maybe 10 pixels here. Now it looks even better. Let me see if it is mobile responsive or not, because I've told the ChatGPT to give me mobile responsive. See, it is even mobile responsive. It looks really nice. Let me see if I can see it in iPhone SE. Yes, I can see it really nice in iPhone SE. So we are done with our portfolio section as well. So let's move on to the contact me section. Now let's begin with the contact me section. Contact me. So we are going to keep the same sort of design that we have in the banner, but instead of writing in the left side, we are going to have a, a form. So let me just copy paste it first. Close it. Control B. Now banner section, right? I'm going to copy this banner section and contact me starts, contact me ends, and I'm going to paste it here. So let's see how it looks. It looks like this. So right now, uh, contact me. I'm just really confused. Should I keep the photo here and the login from here? Because then it is going to make sense. Everything is going to align perfectly. So let me take a photo maybe. So let me change the photo a bit because we are contacting someone. We are going to put an owl here, and I'm going to put the owl. And I'm going to banner right, uh, contact me, and remove all of them. And now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me mobile responsive uh, form. The form will have email, email, text area, and button input. Give me HTML and CSS. So let me copy this and paste it here, and copy this CSS code and paste it at the bottom. Contact me starts, contact me ends, and I'm going to paste it here. So this is what it looks. Somewhat decent, but this needs some changing. Let me see if it is mobile responsive or not. Yes, it is mobile responsive. So right now it doesn't look that good. I just want everything to have the same high alignment. So I'm going to do is remove the label from both of them and write placeholder. So there is going to be enter your email and it is going to be your message. No, placeholder your message here. So they are side by side. I don't want that. I want them to be in the column section. So I'm going to go to the style form. It is going to be display flex, and column flex direction is going to be column. And I'm going to decrease border radius, margin bottom. No, I don't want any margin bottom. Margin is going to be 0. So right now it looks good. Now I'm going to change the button color. Button color is going to be maybe yellow, red, and give it padding. Padding up maybe 10 pixel, 20 pixel. Border radius is going to be 5 pixel. And when I hover over it, the color is going to turn to black. Now everything is going to be coherent. Nice. Now this is going to be our contact me section. So we are done with our contact me section. Now we are going to make only footer. Now we are going to make our footer section, and to make that we are going to go to ChatGPT, new chat, and I'm going to say give me a mobile responsive footer section. On the left side there will be copyright text, and on the right side there will be 4 social media icons. Give me HTML and CSS. So let me copy this and paste it. Footer starts, footer ends, and I'm going to paste it. Now let me copy the CSS. Footer starts, footer ends, and paste it. See, we have this is 2021 because ChatGPT, the information it has is still 2021. So let's change it to 2022. and all we are going to change the color and uh, let me see the color. um, Let me make the color to white. These are all icons, right? Footer right, I. Oh, let me change the color here. Footer right. Footer right, I. Change the color to white. Now it is white. So you can link your profile, Facebook profile with them as well. Let me round them a bit so it will look even nicer. Border radius is going to be 50%. 50 pixel, height 50 pixel. Hmm. Okay, these are not background colors, so it isn't happening. Give me some padding here. Padding 20 pixel, 10 pixel. So we are done with our portfolio section. So this is what you are going to have. This is the portfolio website that you can make with using ChatGPT. The website looks nice. The ChatGPT did almost 90% of the code. We just changed here and there, but everything else is made by ChatGPT. I hope this video has helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.